6/2/2020 S&P 500 weekly chart in our platform. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to populate the diamonds and we're doing a major update. We hit our target at that diamond right here, and now we're going to talk about the next leg higher for the S&P is going to be an area of 31. Let's just call it, I'll tell you what, let's go up a little bit. So 3169 would be a much wall higher, but we're going to have to clear 3110 and 3139, and we are. So basically, when we take a look at it in our system here on a weekly, we can see what the half bar value is right here, and we cleared this half bar value on that big downside. So the stimuluses have been working, and you can see here that the next real major area, if we can get above 3097 and 3135, and then this is going to really put us up here at 3150 on the S&P with that slow grind higher. Once again, though, I'm always going to go back to this week, and that was on March 2nd when the high was at 3136 here. And if we clear these other areas of resistances in the S&P, then that's going to be a major one, and that is the math right there. And once again, the Fed stimuluses and everything that's been working is fine. One of the issues is all the way up, we have the red line, a 20-week moving average still declining. That's the turn of the 10-week. And then 3-second weekly high of 31, we'll just call that high as it is, and 31.36 is going to be right to the penny. So we're going to have to go tomorrow, we're going to have to get above that area right below when we hit that 3,097, 98 area. It's going to have to push up there, clear 31 and a quarter, and then we're going to hit 31.39. That's going to be this high up here, and then right up there where we're going to get a real big resistance would be right there at 31. Let's just call it 31.52. So, we'll give it a little bit of room to do that, be 31.52 and whatnot. So, basically, that is what this is going to be about. Once again, weekly chart, S&P 500 bull run. Here is what it looks like in a public chart. This is a monthly one. And one of the things that I will point out on the S&P, we close at 3080, so we're not far from getting there. But the white line that you see here is 150-month moving average. And basically, pandemic low, they come in, we have lots of volatility, and now we're coming back up to the neckline. And the Federal Reserve and the stimuluses and all the bad news, and then the auto scripts that leverage up these indexes and the stocks and the ETFs with the Fed behind it. So you don't fight it. But the problem is that we're still in a monthly sell signal, and we will have challenges at these other areas. In 3111, we're going to have to get above that to get up to my 3151 and 3139 and whatnot. So, once again, that's on a monthly. We showed you on our platform on the weekly. It's got a 150-month moving average that it's sitting right on it. And that means that we also are above the 20-month moving average, which is right here. And then down below, we definitely, have no problem down here with the 50-month moving average. So, once again, this is what it looks like on that monthly level and some of the indicators and whatnot. And not only that, once again, we have the targets correct, and we're going to have more volatility that will return to the market. So we have a weekly chart in Panther, we have a monthly chart with public indicators, S&P 500 6-2 update 2020.